Hello everybody, that is the last lens set of the Nikon smz-10 microscope. It consists of single doublets on some special frame with ball bearing, little ball bearing here, and we can see the axis of adjustment. Those are used. One of adjustments is changing the deepness of lens blocks, and another just ordinary X and Y axis here. So this set is attached at the first lens position. It is somehow moved over the poles. A nice spring pulls it down, while special, I don't know how to name this profile, lifts it up. So finally this set is moving up down inside the microscope zoom frame. So just showing you how can we adjust it. Two axes here for every channel, and while by rotating in inwards or outwards you can change the height of any block here. So thank you for watching. Bye.